Alright guys, this is Pot Kettle Racism. Welcome to our Lockpicking, this first annual charity raffle. Currently on my screen I have up the list of prizes that we'll be giving away today in this raffle. So we've raised $560 for charity for this raffle. 10 of which was marked as non-raffle related, so it was contributed by somebody who was not eligible for prizes. So that said, we've got 10 prizes that we'll be giving away. So lock lot 1 that we have, which will be prize number 1, is a Sergeant padlock that comes with keys and a chain, an old Yale rim cylinder with keys, a Sergeant small form factor interchangeable core mortise with keys, a Corbin Russwin mortise with keys, and a Wilson Bohannon padlock with keys. Prize 2, which is also a lock lot, will be a Corbin Master Ring padlock with antique keys. They're very pretty, very shiny brass. It comes with also a Schlage Everest full-size interchangeable core with keys, a normal Sergeant padlock with keys, a tiny American wafer padlock with keys, a Sesame combo lock, and a new Yale mortise with keys. Prize 3 will be a Sparrow's Tuxedo set and 1 challenge lock made by Chris Aarons, also known as Lockpicking Heaven's Gate. Prize 4 is a set of custom double-ended picks by Lock Newbie 21, as well as a zero-bitted Schlage Primus with a Primus key blank that matches it, also from Lock Newbie 21. So we'd like to thank Lock Newbie 21 for that donation. Prize 5 is a quick set smart key padlock from Tumblr. Prize 6 is a multi-lock interactive padlock, and that, along with the 2 lock lots, were all contributed by Mac GNG, so thank you, Mac, for your donation. I'll be giving away a multi-lock interactive mortise as well, which is my contribution. An Acetwin 6000 mortise with keys, also from Tumblr, as well as 2 challenge locks, one from Supalama and one from Den Brass. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started on the actual raffle part. For the raffle, we'll be using random.org's third-party draw service. So we'll be using a entrant-based draw here. So if you donated to the raffle, you'll be able to put in your Reddit username to check and make sure that you were entered for the correct number of entries. So I'm now uploading the raffle entries. So we should have 550 entrants, which we do have. We have a number of duplicates, which is what we should have, because each line will be 1 entry, and as we said, each dollar donated will provide 1 entry into the raffle. So we have $550 of eligible donations, and we have 550 entrants listed. So we'll go ahead. That is all correct. Yep, that's all right. So this is an entrant accessible drawing, which means, like I said, you'll be able to go back and look for your username to make sure that it was entered the correct number of times, which I assure you it was. So we will be drawing 10 winners, just double checking. Yes, we have 10 prizes for this raffle. And so the prizes will be assigned as prize 1 is 1, prize 2 will be prize 2, etc., down the line. Final confirmation. This is correct. All right, here are your winners. So our first prize will be My Life is Awesome 2. Let's see. Second will be Mr. Shiny. My third place is My Life is Awesome. Fourth is K9 Low. Fifth will be PF Throwaway 4454. Sixth will be K9 Low. Seventh is Dom Paradix. Eighth will be PF Throwaway 4454. Ninth will be My Life is Awesome again. And 10th is JL Kinsell. So I will be posting this link, which is a permanent record of the drawing, to the subreddit. And you'll be able to check and make sure that your username was entered as correctly as it was. All right. Thank you guys for donating, and I'm hoping to see you again in July when we do this next time. So, all right, this was Pot Kettle Racism, and congratulations to our winners.